Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open a notification bar, and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on the icon, and as can you see, the icon is blue. That means that your Wi-Fi is turned on. And just to select the available network, hold for a while, and here you'll see your networks. And now I'll show you the second way. They just go to the settings, and here go to the network and internet section. Here tap on the Wi-Fi switcher to turn on your Wi-Fi, and go here. And as can you see, we got here the all available networks, and you can also choose one from this network. For example, I'll go in with this one and just type here the password to this network. Here you can see the password if you'll just tap on this checkbox, and now just tap here to connect. And as can you see, our device has successfully connected to this network. If you want to also select another one, just tap here to this network, tap here to disconnect or forget. For example, I'll tap the forget, and now you can select another one by the same way. And also, if you want to just turn off your Wi-Fi, tap here on the switcher again, and as can you see, that's turned off. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.